In today's fast-paced aerial warfare, the ultimate advantage hinges on a combination of stealth, speed, and striking power. What if there is a single vehicle that excelled in all these areas, offering a comprehensive solution to modern combat challenges? Meet a Jeniah Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle. This isn't just another entry in the roster of UCAV. It represents the apex of advanced military engineering, specifically designed to excel across both terrestrial and maritime theaters of operation. So, what sets the Jeniah apart in the crowded field of modern warfare technology? Its low observable design is a good start, rendering it virtually invisible to enemy radar systems. This stealth capability offers a critical advantage in today's stealth-centric combat tactics. More importantly, the Jeniah is not just about being unseen. It boasts impressive speed credentials, capable of cruising at speeds up to Mach 0.7, with top speeds exceeding 1,000 kilometers per hour, and an operational ceiling of 25,000 feet. Such capabilities enable the Jeniah to swiftly and effectively engage targets over vast distances, all while remaining undetected. But the Jeniah's innovations don't stop at stealth and speed. This drone is designed for a range of mission profiles, capable of both autonomous and semi-autonomous operations. It utilizes cutting-edge artificial intelligence to handle tasks from target identification and navigation to comprehensive mission execution. This makes the Jeniah a pivotal player in networked warfare, able to operate solo or in concert with other unmanned and manned assets. It's optimized for a variety of roles, from offensive strikes and surveillance to providing essential battlefield support within contested environments, aligning seamlessly with anti-access and area denial strategies. The versatility of the Jeniah is another of its standout features. Engineered to deliver various munition payloads, it adapts effortlessly to a multitude of operational demands. Whether tasked with executing precision strikes or conducting wide-ranging surveillance missions, the Jeniah ensures significant impact with a payload capacity of 480 kilograms. Notably, it is equipped to deploy P-32 Thunder-guided munitions, which allow for precision engagement up to 20 kilometers away. Its internal weapons bay further enhances its low observable characteristics, crucial for operations in heavily contested airspace. What does this all mean on the battlefield? The Jeniah's robust design, which includes a maximum takeoff weight of over 4,000 kilograms and carefully balanced dimensions for optimal agility and payload capacity, provides unmatched operational endurance and reliability under the most challenging conditions. As warfare tactics and scenarios continue to evolve, the Jeniah serves as a steadfast guardian of the skies, reshaping the very nature of aerial combat with its advanced technological prowess. So, who is actually behind this technology? Adasi, a part of the esteemed Edge Group based in the United Arab Emirates, specializes in the design, development, and manufacture of autonomous systems. Adasi's extensive focus on unmanned systems for air, land, and sea, combined with their innovative solutions in autonomous technology and systems integration, cater to a wide array of military and civilian applications. As we consider the future of aerial superiority, why would one settle for anything less than the Jeniah? This UCAV not only meets but redefines the demands of modern warfare, proving itself as an indispensable asset on the modern battlefield. That's for today. Thank you for watching.